What is up, YouTube? Back at it again with a brand new video. And it's probably been like well over 3 years since I posted on this channel. But I was bored and I got this Travis Scott Tons McDonald's merch. I've been waiting for this for like, what, 3 months now? It's like almost December and I ordered this in September. It freaking took so long to get here, but it's finally here. And I wanted to do like a little like unwrapping or whatever and see how the quality is, the sizing, all this stuff, you know? But yeah, let's do this. I'm just gonna rip it up. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no knife gang here. Whoa, dude. Alright, I'm gonna take the shirt out first. And then, cause it's a shirt and a hoodie. So, what the is this? Yo, we got the bag though. Well, this is actually kind of cool. So we got the Travis Scott freaking McDonald's bag. Alright, let's put this on the side. Put it over here. And then bam. What is this? Oh. Oh, this is just the receipt. Alright, so we started off with the Sesame t-shirt. This is the brown one. This is the one that he was wearing when he did that little like pop-up thing, whatever, in McDonald's. And I thought it was pretty cool. You have the Cactus Jack right there, the McDonald's logo, that's the one thing I was like, do I really want to like rep McDonald's like that? So yeah, I got a 2X in this shirt. I don't know how like oversized, cause I like my shirts oversized, but hopefully it's not like too oversized. But let's see. Let's open this snacks. Whoa, this is kind of cool. Oh shit, it is kind of baggy, dude. Alright, so we got the little McDonald's Cactus Jack right there. Pretty cool, look at that. Pops up a little bit. Yeah, pretty cool. We got the back. All the sesame seeds with that Cactus Jack logo. Freaking sick. Actually, it's pretty cool. Hopefully it fits. It looks kind of big, bro, not gonna lie. I don't even know. I don't know. I'm used to that Fear God essential stuff when you order like a large and it fits like an extra large. So I was like, I thought this was gonna be like smaller. I'm gonna put this on the side. This is what I was waiting for. It's the hoodie. We got the McDonald's logo again. This is the Cactus Pack sticker hoodie. Also in a 2X. Again, hopefully it's not like super baggy, but we'll see. Let's open this. Let's do this. Alright. Bam. Actually it feels kind of cheap. Damn, it does feel kind of cheap. Bro, this was 90 bucks. Oh, actually the back's kind of cool though, not gonna lie. Look at that. That's pretty sick. So it says brand new Cactus Pack for just $6 for a limited time. That's actually kind of cool. See, I wanted to get something that like down the line, probably like 20 years from now, you know? It's gonna be like cool. This is the front. McDonald's. And then we have the Cactus Jack stitched right here, which is pretty cool. It's funny because out of all the McDonald's stuff that I've seen on YouTube, I haven't seen this one. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna try this on. So yeah, this is the hoodie. Wait, can I get back one? Wait, let me move this. So yeah, this is the hoodie. I'm kind of glad I went with the 2X because I like more of a baggier fit. So just in case I do wash it, it won't like shrink that much. This is the back. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that's the hoodie. I'm gonna try on the shirt. All right, let's go. So this is a shirt. The shirt is kind of baggy, but I mean, it works. It's not like too baggy. Actually, I don't know. Maybe not. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on until the end of the video. Yeah, this bag's actually kind of cool, man. But, okay, so this shirt was about $45, like 50 something after shipping. But honestly, the quality is really not that great of the actual shirt. Like, it's very thin. So maybe I'm kind of glad I got a 2X. If I wash this and I dry it, like this shirt's gone. Like, it's over. But with that being said, like the actual stuff, the material is actually really nice. Same with the hoodie. Mostly in the hoodie, actually. smells like this. Like same thing with the hoodie. The quality is not that great. It's very thin. Like nothing compared like Essentials hoodie because they're about the same price. So I'm like, yo, what the hell? But the actual like print of this is actually pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Like, it's sick, dude. I like it. But yeah, anyways, yeah, it's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. I just want to do like a quick unboxing. I haven't filmed in like 3 years, so I was like, whatever, let's do it. But yeah, that's it, dude. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be posting more videos. Hopefully I am, and hopefully I can like keep this going. It's been like 3 years. It's like a nice little hobby, especially with everything going on, you know. Keep my mind off stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. All right, later.